welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video I'm going to show you how to switch to dark mode on Slack. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Slack app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, DMs and Activity on the bottom of your screen, while on the top left corner, you're gonna find your workspaces. Once you tap on that, you can see three options at the end of your screen: Add a workspace, Preferences and Help. Tap on Preferences. Under Preferences, you can see options like Accessibility, Language, Advanced, App Icon, etc. You have to go to Advanced. Under Advanced, second option there is Appearance. Tap on it, then select Always Dark from there. And guys, that's it. That's how you switch to dark mode on Slack. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.